Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 3rd of August 2021 and Tuesday. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market today and help my traders through live intraday analysis and bank amazing profit. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig straight to the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD, you can see in 4 hours we haven't seen any good volatility. Even Monday, that's what I haven't updated my analysis Monday. So if you look at the today analysis, even yesterday, you can see here we haven't seen any volatility, any movements. We had this yesterday, only small long trade which we came out at the break even. And this afternoon at the New York session, we can see here we have another big. This morning we were looking this breakout. So as you can see here at the New York session, if you look at the 4 hour charts, we have this breakout, and as soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA around this level, and that's what we explained to traders, it's time to consider tightening your stop loss, or you move your stop loss at the break even. So technically we were looking this triangle pattern. In an intraday, we have this breakout, and you can see here a few PPs on EURUSD. Let's look at in the Euro pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had a quite interesting moves, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the pound dollar, and we have, you can see here, even though we didn't see any big moves, if you look like the price is keep respecting the support level, and also this level, you can see here previously respected. And this morning we were long here, this breakout, and banked beautiful pips, and afterwards at the New York session we were short and banked some profit as soon as the price respected the support level, as you can see here, and then we banked beautiful pips. So let me share with you guys how I analyze from here long and short on pound dollar. If you look at the pound dollar, even if you look at from yesterday, we had a quite interesting moves. This is the yesterday move, sideways market. That was in the 4 hour. If you look ahead, this was the only few pps. You can see as soon as the price hit, we banked few pps on the pound dollar. But today, as you can see here, this morning, we expecting the price nicely respected at the support level, this level, and we did this analysis breakout of this high and low and symmetric triangle pattern. As you can see here, price nicely broken, and after the breakout we have another pullback. As you can see here, price nicely hit to the profit target, and that's what we explained to trader. It's time to bank some profit, enjoying some profit. At that time, the 4 hour, the price nicely hit this resistance level, so bank beautiful pips this morning. And at the New York session, you can see here as soon as the price reverse, that's what we explained to traders, look like it head and shoulder pattern is developed. So look for this breakout, and that's what we explained to trader. If the price is going to break this, then we should be taking a short trade here. As soon as the price broken, and as soon as the price hit this level, you can see here price nicely respected. Even in 4 hour, you can see here price nicely respected at this level. That's what we explained to trader. It's time to bank some profit. So you can see that in pound dollar, we were long in London morning, and we were short in the New York session. Bank beautiful pips on pound dollar. Let's move on to the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a quite interesting moves. As you can see here, from yesterday, we were long here. As you can see here, that's what I explained to my trader. If the price is going to stay above that level, you can see here, this is the previous high is broken, then we're going to be taking a long trades. From yesterday, we were long, and today we were also long. As you can see here, price broken, and after the breakout, price retest, and we keep taking a pullback long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level, which is, you can see here, previously respected price level, that's what we explained to trader. It's time to bank some profit. So we really enjoyed it. Dollar CAD long, and let me share with you the intraday analysis. If you look at the intraday analysis from yesterday, this was the consolidation breakout at this level in 4 hour. You can see here, that was the consolidation breakout, and afterwards pullback long, beautiful pullback long after that. So bank beautiful pips. And at the Asian session, I also explained to my trader the major structure is broken, so keep taking a pullback. So you can see at the Asian session we have another beautiful pullback as soon as the price hit. Bank few PPs on dollar CAD. So this morning, as you can see here, I explained to my trader that look at the momentum is bullish, so we should be keep taking a pullback. As you can see here, price nicely respected as explained in analysis. Beautiful. You can see here price came back and developed a pullback, and that's be another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the resistance level, that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. So you can see here we had a beautiful long trade on dollar CAD. We were long from yesterday, as you can see, a beautiful trade. All right, so we also had a beautiful trade, especially if you look at the dollar yen. We had a beautiful trade, short trade here. And if you look at here, we were short from yesterday, and let me share with you guys the analysis. As you can see here, from yesterday we were short here at this level and at this breakout. Beautiful short trade here. And this morning, again, as I said to my trader, look for this breakout 6 morning, and as explained to trader, once the price broken the major structure, the major resistance support level, just keep taking a pullbacks. So you can see I explained to trader, if the price is going to hit to the orange EMA, you can see here we have another beautiful pullback and bank beautiful pips. So you can see here we have amazing profit on most of the pairs. As you can see here, consider banking some pips, most of them. Beautiful trades, pound yen, beautiful trade. You can see here this was a pretty straightforward this morning. As soon as the price developed this double bottom, explain another breakout, another pullback. So we can see a beautiful long trade, and at the New York session we were short. So that's what we do in intraday. And if I show you the intraday and latest this is the, you can see at the New York session, as you have seen the London morning session, we will break out long, and at the New York session, explain to trader, this is the level if the price is going to break or look for another pullback. So what happened here, as you can see here, price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, bank beautiful pip. So you can see in the morning we were long, at the New York session we were short, but again most of the trades are 100% based on the valid technical reason. If you look at this morning, price developed a double bottom, bank beautiful pips, and at the New York session you can see here price nicely respected and beautiful. After this candle we had a beautiful short trade here. So as soon as the price hit, if I show you here why the price is respected, if you look at here, the price respected here at the support level, at this level, at this level, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. As you can see here, after that price nicely reversed, so bank beautiful pips. In the London morning we were long, bank pips. In the New York session, short, banking beautiful pips. All right guys, I hope guys you enjoy all this analysis, and as always mentioned, the most important and interesting part of it, if you watch those analysis in the real time through live audio commentary support and banking pips in real time, and most important thing is developing your trading skill in real time. And once you develop your trading skill, and if you show us consistency result in this platform, then definitely we can help you to get funded from pro firms. If you are interested how I help my traders through live market in real time, through live intraday analysis, feel free. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. It's completely free guys. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen it, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome. Book free one-to-one consultation. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.